waliwo enkebuka enkoledde video etandisewe kino ekiwala ku video etaddeko kino ekiwala kyantama then egamba n'ogamba kino ekiwala kyefuke kyefule kyamaanyi kyefula woba mutegedde mugambe na message ye aina akafaananyi kataddeko era ogenda mu comment section she's very bitter she's like oyo Luwi Light alinga B oyo Luwi Light alinga chi she's like that like honey I'm who I think I is period. Also, oguze nokwata akafaananyi koyita afaanananga pupu nga kasinga akako kasinga video yo gwali mu filter. Such a shame. So I saw Kafta's she called it a vacation, but I think it is like a honeymoon or something. Very demure, very mindful. Yes, don't talk too much. Be classy. Okay, honey? And Luwi Light here wishes you well and the very best in your marriage. Gendo fumbe toke. Kafta tonswaza. Hey, okay? Yeah. Hey, etakuzisizamu gali ochimanyi. Other than that, I truly pray. Ejogenze sibyangu. May Allah make it easy for you. Katinganzi kwene nkebuka. Eno namwando. Eine enzalo biri. Simfumbi. Tebajifumbira. Simpase. She's not married. And I've seen her for a while, actually. She's not married. I think 2 kids. Oh, yeah. Simo wase. You speak so desperate. You sound so desperate. And unfortunately enough, I'm not as desperate as you are. Hatenze sikolera ko. Anyways, honey, I do not have a lot for you, but heal. Because okubocha choka olichesiru. Instead of uno bufananyi bulieri oba buliwa bwobosonsekayo. Now against no jaka fananyi honey. Kotade ku video. Oh my god, Luwi Light was stunning. Very demure, very mindful. Chinechwana, chefula, sefula. I am who I think I is. Period. Okwe matida, you needn't have to be rich. Okwe matida, you needn't have to be wearing designer clothes and all that stuff. You need to just have a little bit of ego. You need to know who you are. You need to know what you put on table, honey. Whatever I put on here, I'm who I think I is, honey. Cool the fuck down. Ain't nobody care about what you say or what you think. So you thought you're going to trend. So now I'm making you trend. Okay? I'm making you trend. Oh, chinechwana. Luwi Light. Nyawana chitachi. Techigenda kubija. She's not going to become ugly. No. I'm already beautiful. So, nyawana kama chibi. Simanya chibi malaya. Simanya what. Honey. Baby. I ain't that type. I ain't. And just because you say it doesn't mean it's going to happen or I'm going to become one. So, hello. Cool the fuck down. Also, meet me on the live. Ofune ebisigaridde by'olina okufuna. Nkitegeera. Bitch. Otegedde? Owulidde? Binomu obwo obuyumba bw'ekinaku. Nze president w'abanaku naye mmala ne mbayisaamu eggaali.